Hi guys, it's the Painting Puma, and today we are going to cover how to make pouring medium. I have 4 ingredients, or items I should say, that I need to do this. The first is my handy dandy kitchen scale. It is just a basic little $10 one that I got from Walmart like, I don't know, 5 or 10 years ago. So I have linked something similar from Amazon down below if you're interested in picking that up. Another thing that's linked down below that you can get on Amazon, which I highly recommend, is the Glue All by Elmer's glue. And I buy it in 2 1-gallon containers. It's a really good price. It gives you lots of volume. You're not having to buy it all the time. But if you don't want that much, they do have like 32 ounce and even smaller and in-betweens. So that is linked down below. This is linked down below. And then this container I just got from the dollar store. Just a simple little water bottle. Works great, and it was $1. Can't beat that. And then I use a vapor distilled water, but you can use bottled water or like a reverse osmosis. It's best to use something besides just tap water to reduce the chances of it creating bacteria over time. So I just get this from my local grocery store. And we'll go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and put my bottle on my scale, take off the top, hit the tare button. So now I'm at 0, and the units I use is milliliters. It's just much more precise than using ounces. It gets you really close to a true, what we use, our formula is, a ratio is a 70% glue, 30% water. So this is easy to figure out by using the milliliters. I'm going to do this in 140 milliliter glue to 60 milliliters of water. And I'm just going to start with my glue. Okay. Alright, and to fill up this whole thing, I'm just going to continue that process. And I just teared it out so that way I didn't have to do the math. But you could just keep going cumulatively. And you just continue that process and you shake it up real good until you've filled your container. So I'll go ahead and give this a really good shake. And you've got your pouring medium. It is as simple as that. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions. If I didn't cover something that you would like to know, please feel free. Let me know what you guys want to see next as far as videos. I have a video about mixing your paints, and I've got a couple of videos coming up that'll be about a sandwich pour and a flip cup. I'm still trying to decide what to do with the 3rd painting video. I'm thinking maybe a funnel pour, maybe a dirty pour, not quite sure. So if you guys have any suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I have a special message from someone very special to me. I'm going to hand it over to them. Thanks.
Hi guys, this is Puma Cub. If you like this video, give a like and subscribe and ring that bell, ring-a-ding-a-ling, to see what's new. Bye for now.